Welcome back, everyone. This is John Oppenheim with Step One Automotive Group, and today we're taking a quick look at the brand new 2021 Genesis G80 provided by Genesis of Brunswick. Let's go. This is the 2021 Hyundai Genesis G80. It's brand new for 2021. It is the third generation of the G80. The G80 started in 2009 as a Hyundai model, a sedan, and it is the flagship for the Genesis brand, which is the luxury brand of Hyundai. So this is the third generation. It is refined. I mean, look at this interior. Dark leather, beautiful lines, beautiful stitching, massive 14.5-inch display on the dash, beautiful controls here. These are aluminum looking right here. This is the home control button. You can zoom in and out of your navigation, go to the home button, go through your media. It's actually quite intuitive once you get a feel for it. And it's really nice on the fingertips. Let's go back to the maps. We're here in Brunswick, Georgia. All around the dash, in the interior of the car, you have this beautiful leather, beautifully stitched, aluminum trim, also this open pore wood, which is really nice. And then you have the Lexicon audio system covers, which are absolutely beautiful. You do have the option of having a digital gauge cluster, and this model does not have it. It is an option though. You have your climate control options here. It's half digital, half analog. Beautiful buttons here. Dual climate control, the driver's side and the passenger side. You have seat warmers for the passenger and the driver. They're heated and ventilated seats. The rear seats are also ventilated. There's an enormous panoramic sunroof that is tinted. You have your center console cargo space. Pop that button underneath, and you have a ton of room down here. There's my polarizing filter. Here you can slide this open, and you have USB for phone charging. A little bit extra compartment down there. Your glove box. Got some things in there. All right, let's get ourselves a move on. We are clear on all sides and ready to go. Okay, here we are in the 2021 Genesis G80. This version is the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. It's turbocharged and it puts out 300 horsepower, putting a lot of that power to the ground through the rear wheels. With the 6-cylinder version, there is the option of doing 4-wheel drive. With the turbocharged 4-cylinder version, you have an estimated fuel economy of 23 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway, which is combined of 26 miles per gallon. The touch points are very comfortable. The steering wheel is nice. The center console and the armrest are very comfortable. The ride itself is very smooth. You have 3 different settings. You have comfort, eco, and sport. And as you go into the sport setting, you'll notice that the transmission shifts at a different point. The acceleration is a little bit more punchy, and the steering is a little bit more responsive. Also, the G80 has massive brakes, beautiful calipers with the Genesis insignia on them, and the rotors are ventilated. Here we go. Pop it into reverse. We got your backup camera and your sensor warnings. All right, and here we are. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and see what this baby can do. We've got it in sport mode right now. Well, that was quick. I couldn't tell you if I did it 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds, but it was quick. Well, this car is super comfortable to drive. It handles well. The seats are comfortable. There's a lot of space for the driver and the passenger. There's a ton of leg room, even more than last year. The interior is beautiful. The 14.5-inch Infomatic touchscreen display on the dash is nestled right in there. It doesn't obstruct the view over the hood. All right, let's go ahead and roll that G80 footage. Thanks again to Genesis of Brunswick for providing this incredible automotive experience. And remember, with the Genesis Limited Powertrain Warranty, you can get 10 years or 100,000 miles covered, and you can get a 3-year, 36,000 mile complimentary maintenance package. Until next time, drive.